Hi guys. Okay, today we are out here on the farm. A friend is visiting me, so we are just shooting a bit, helping this one farmer. He has a lot of pigeons and stuff, so we will start here, but it is very hot. We started a bit late today, so we will see if we can get something. Otherwise we're just going to the other permission with the trees and stuff, but there's a lot of leaves now, so we will see what happens there. Yeah, this will be mostly scope cam shots. I forgot all my other cameras and stuff. Yeah, I put everything in a container, and we left without that container. So I only have my scope cam here, so whatever I can get on that I will show you. Yeah, just a quick little hunt or pest job. Yeah, just have some fun. Yeah, first time shooting in quite a while. It has been the competition 2 weeks ago, and then other than that, the videos that you've seen, the tests and stuff, the slug testing, I did most of them in basically 2 to 3 weeks. Basically did all the videos and then the editing as I got time. And yeah, there will be some more testing. The rest of the slugs, there's some spot on slugs that looked quite promising when I just played around with them. Some more Zan slugs, the rest of them. What's there? No, that's just a big chicken. We'll see what else there is. I'll try and get some FX slugs. Yeah, if there's some specific slugs that you want to see. Also the unknown slugs from Gert, that you've seen on his channel. I'm also going to test them. So yeah, bunch of tests, bunch of slugs that that you guys have asked for, that I will test. So yeah, and then some gun reviews I'm also need to get to. Yeah, but to do this and do a bit of do this with YouTube and do a day job. That's basically from 7 in the morning till 5 in the afternoon. It's quite rough, and then get time to edit and everything, get time to shoot, and yeah. So I'll try to keep giving you guys at least a video a week. If I can do more than that, I will, but it's one is already quite difficult. I'd like to have a friend, Mr. Van der Merwe, that helps. His video will either be next week or just before this one. I don't know, but he's also working on a video. The H&N, where we shot H&N slugs out of everything, that worked quite lacquer. We did some speed silhouette and stuff. So if the video is out, then cool. If it's not, then you have that to look forward to. And yeah, let's just see what else we can get. Nice.
So far it's just been awesome.
Nice.
Oh, nice one. Oh, nice one.
There's enough of his fish.
Oh, mooi man. Oh, and they cleaned up yesterday. The camera just died.
Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe. If you have ideas for future videos, you can leave them in the comments down below. I am planning on doing some more reviews in the future, so if you would like to see that, also subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.